I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing like Wingstop. To begin, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and your essential spices. You will also need garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill, salt, and black pepper. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable preparation process for your delicious homemade dressing. Now, let's create that signature flavor. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This specific blend of spices is what gives the dressing its distinctive and beloved taste, so measure carefully for the best results. Next, in a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with the prepared spice blend. Gradually whisk in your 1/2 cup of buttermilk until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a little more buttermilk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors fully develop. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a dipping sauce for hot wings, fresh vegetables, or even a slice of pizza. For best results, serve it chilled. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. This easy recipe brings that restaurant-quality taste right to your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.